Okay, so on this next one, I didn't mention this in the last one, but it wasn't rigged up to, in other words, we had to write it in descending order. Like we had x squared over here and x is here and then another x here and then a constant. It wasn't in order. So this next one's the same way, kind of. So let's do it. The quantity x minus 7. Oh no, this one's written in order. So this is what we're used to, right? We have like something times x and then a number, and then x and a number. But if you notice on the last problem, it wasn't that way. It was mixed all over the place. This is a nice way to have it though. And I guess I didn't emphasize enough that I was putting it in descending order. And that's okay. I've got 6x minus 3, and then I've got x minus 7. Again, we're going to multiply the row by the column. So I've got 6x times 1x. That just gives me 6x squared. So this times this gives me 6x squared. Oh, yeah, that's right. And then for the next one, I'm going to multiply this by this. So I'm going to say negative 3 times 1x, right? That just gives me a negative 3x. Okay. Next, I'm going to say 6x times negative 7, 6x times the negative 7. That's going to give me a negative 42x. Negative 42x. And then lastly, we're going to do negative 3 times negative 7, which negative 3 times the negative 7 is a positive 21. And so we're just going to combine like terms, right? So I look for the x squareds first. I've got 6x squared. Next, I look for the x to the first powers. There's two of them. Negative 3x and negative 42x. And then lastly, I look for the constants. Now I'm noticing that I have 2x to the first powers, so I'm going to have to combine them. So I'm going to say 6x squared, that stays there. And then this, you just add the coefficients, right? Like, so what is negative 3 plus negative 42? Negative 45, and then we tack on the x, and then plus 21. Any questions? Okay.